Model 2021 Ford Ranger Wildtrak 4x4 automatic 74k miles non-runner Euro 6 No Vat. Body grey 4x4. Mileage 74,900. MOT the 14th of July 2025. Engine 1996 cc 2.0 ECOBLUE 213 PS by Turbo D. Transmission 4-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner, Enginge does not start, timing cover stripped oil pump belt offered some kind of time in belt issue not too sure. Will repair surely absolute bargain with no VAT to pay. Condition summary: bodywork is extremely clean and tidy, you can tell this has been well looked after. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it. Immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features: parking sensors, cruise control, tow hitch, alloy wheels, sat-nav, electric windows, tow bar, air con, reversing camera. Euro status: ULEZ compliant.